How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. I'm hoping you're having a great day today and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Welcome back to the channel. I have another DIY do it yourself. Today we have a 2013 Kia Sorento. If your car looks similar to this is what you got. This is the DIY video for you. Today I'm going to replace the spark plugs, also known as the tune-up. There you go, NGK spark plugs. My guy went and got the real good spark plugs for his vehicle. There's the part number. Okay. However, this already come already gapped. I don't have to gap them. I will link the information down in the description below if you need to gap yours. Normally these already come gapped, so you don't have to calibrate them. Also, I'm gonna change the filter, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know how to change the filter. That's an easy thing. You just take these two little levers right here, push them to the front like this, and it pops up right up, and then just replace it. However, it's a 4-cylinder 2.4 engine, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna replace the spark plugs, and for this job you would need a 10mm socket, and this one is, let me see guys, I forgot, this one doesn't even have a size thing. Let me see, but if I'm not mistaken, this is a 15mm, 15 mil, but I'm not sure. I will link the information down in the description below. I've been having this socket for a long time. This one works with Hondas, Nissans, Toyotas, Kias, and Lexus. I believe it's a 15, but like I said, I will find out the information and then I will go ahead and link it down below so you guys can get the right socket, a short extension, and a ratchet, and of course the spark plugs. And first thing you're gonna do is remove the engine cover. This thing pops right out. Move it out the way. And there's the coils, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's an easy thing. All you have to do is remove those 10mm bolts, all 10 of them. I mean, all 10 of them. All 4 of them 10mm bolts, they come right out, and then you remove the coils. Let me put you guys on the tripod. We'll be right back. I have an air ratchet that I can use, but it's too loud. I don't think you guys want to hear that. But I'm using manual tools. That way you guys can, you know, be motivated. Because then if I use something else, they're going to be like, oh, I don't have that kind of tools and blah, 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 blah. So I'm just showing you that you can do this at your house without needing any special tools. So I'm getting high demand on doing DIY videos, so I'm gonna continue to do some more DIY videos for you guys. I hope that, you know, I can continue counting with your support, and then, you know, you guys can help me grow my channel. If you're new here for the first time, please subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. I'm one-man army. As you guys know, I don't, you know, have a cameraman or anything, so I do everything by myself. So a quick inspection on the coils. They do show some wear and tear. You can tell right away because look how smoky it is, how hot it is. Look at the burning. It's burning tips. Look at the burning tips. And I spoke to my customer. He said he has never changed these coil packs before. So I'm doing it for him. One more thing, you need also a magnet. one of these magnets. You can get them AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or anywhere in your auto parts local stores for like, I got this one for free when I used to work at Goodyear, but you can get these for like maybe $3-4, because my socket here is missing the little rubber piece that go inside. With time and wear and tear, it kind of like fell off, so it doesn't have anything to hold on to the spark plug, so that's why you need a magnet. Now if you have a brand new socket, you don't need it, because the little plastic, it's like some little plastic, it's in there, you know, it grabs the spark plug for you. With time and usage, you know, it kind of like fell off, and I don't have one no more. So if you guys doing this job, don't take all the coils out. That way you guys don't get confused on which one's coil 1, 2, and 3. Do one at a time. You know, if you guys don't want to struggle, you know, take your time doing it. Remember, to take anything out, to the left is to loose, and to the right is to tight. So I'm doing cylinder number 1. I believe this is number 1. So I'm taking it out. My customer claims that he never changed the spark plugs, so I'm doing it for him. There you go, spark plug number 1. Look what it looks like. Look at the burning tips. Look at this right here. That's how you know they've been through a lot. Look at that. Look at this. I also recommend to change the coils. If you have money, go ahead and change the coils as well. If you don't have the money, the coils can wait, but I highly recommend for you to change them if you never change them. I believe they only go for about 40 to 50,000 miles, or maybe less. It depends what brand you get. So like I was telling you, my local auto parts already calibrated the spark plug, so all I gotta do is drop them in there. So, there you go. About to drop it in there. Drop it slowly, and then slowly turn to the right. You'll start feeling it when it's grabbing onto the head. It'll start turning. There you go, spark plug number 1. It's already been taken out. I'm putting it back on. The reason why I'm saying that if you have money, go ahead and change the coils now, because the coils are just there, and you can do everything at one time without struggling. When you tighten the spark plug, don't over tighten them. You'll feel it when you stop, and then just a little bit. Boom. That's it. Put the coil back on. Do number 2. Also inspect the coils. Same way, it's been burned already. Look at it. It shows signs of wear and tear. Look at that. It still works though. However, if you have the money, like I said, go ahead and replace it. Don't cheap out on your car. Because remember, it's your car. You're driving it. Also, I want to send shout outs to all the new subscribers. Thank you for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers already. And if you guys are new on board, I don't just invite you to watch this video. Watch all my videos. Help me grow as a YouTuber. A lot of my friends that I used to have, that I still have, they gave up already on doing YouTube because they're not growing and they're unmotivated. And back to the spark plugs. Same result. Look at the tip. Look at this one. This one's really, really burned up. Look. That's how you know they need to be serviced. Same way. Put the drop the new one slowly. turn with your socket. Guys, I did so many videos already using the same tools, and I keep forgetting what size this spark plug socket is. But I'm gonna find out and let you guys know down in the description below. I don't want to misguide you and tell you it's a 15 or a 14. I know it's not a 14 because 14 is for the Nissan Sentras, the 2012, 2013. So I know it's a different size. But same thing, you see, turn. When it stops, then a little bit tight. Boom, you're done. Drop it back down. Do coil number 3. Same way. Turn to the left. Every time you work on any car, remember, any car, to the left is to loose, to the right is to tight. Stay tuned. I'm also gonna review my new car. Well, it's not new, it's used, but it is new to me because I never had one like that before. But I'm gonna rebuild it in the next video. And we're gonna talk about why I got rid of the 240. Same results. Look at the tip. Burn. Same results. They're all probably gonna be like that because he had told me he had the car since 2019 and he has never replaced the spark plugs. So if you're one of my customers and if you ran up to me, you know that I always want the best for you. And if I tell you to buy this kind of spark plugs, it's because this is what's best for the vehicle and it's gonna last longer and it's gonna perform better. If you cheap out and you buy spark plugs that are like a $2, $3 spark plugs, you're not gonna get the best results when you use economical spark plugs. I'm sorry, I need to stop using that cheap word. It doesn't sound right. Anyway, so look. Boom, we're done. Then coil number 4. This one is kind of stuck in there. The phone is ringing, but it's almost close time for me, so I'm not gonna answer it. Plus, I'm trying to finish this. So just pull it a little bit. It's gonna be all right. I got it out already. Here you go. Be careful when you yank it out. Make sure you don't pull it too hard because you might rip the wires. You don't want that. It's almost gonna be 6 o'clock here in Georgia, so I'm trying to hurry up and finish this so tomorrow I don't have to do this. I can just come in and give the car back to the customer. If you guys see, I'm sorry, I forgot what I was gonna say, but I'm down to the last spark plug. So this is how you do the tune-up, aka spark plug change. There you go, spark plug number 4. Drop it down slowly, and then do it hand tie it first. You start feeling the tread. This is spark plug number 4 to the right. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And once again, thank you for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys. That's it. Done. Put this back on. Don't force it in. Take your time. And boom. Now I just put the 10mm bolts back on there. This one is backwards. Sorry if the lighting isn't that great. It's getting dark already. Most of the tune-up spark plug chains are the same way. You take them out. Some of them are hard to get, but if you're motivated like I am, you can get it done. So that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. You have made it to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay? Oh, and when you tie the 10mm bolts too, don't put too much stress on it. Just a little bit. As you do mechanical work and you do wrenching, you'll get used to it. That's it. We're done.